Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to remove background on Canva. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in Canva. Once you press enter, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link where it says Canva. Now once you're on this website, make sure you log into your account, and once you log in, what you'll have to do is purchase Canva Pro. To purchase Canva Pro, on the left hand side, you will see this button, Try Canva Pro. Click on it. Then you can start a free trial by clicking on this button. You can choose your plan, either yearly or monthly. Choose anyone that you prefer, then click on next. Now you'll have to choose your payment method. Choose anyone. Then enter your payment detail. Once you have entered this detail, click on this Get Your Free Trial button. Don't worry, you won't be charged for this free membership because it says $0 in this. So it's completely free. And once you have purchased Canva Pro, you can open your project. So for example, click on the picture. Then at the top bar, click on this Edit Photo button. Once you click on it, you will see this option BG Remover. Click on it. Once you click on it, your background will be removed. You can follow the same method for other photos too, but you'll have to purchase the Pro membership. Once you do that, it will be an easy task. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.